After playing in the evening for a long time, when you come back home, you are very tired and exhausted, isn't it? And when your mother offers you food such as milk, snacks, and fruits, once you have them, you again start feeling energetic and happy. So, what was the main difference between the tired you and the energetic you? Well, that was food. As soon as you get food, you start feeling that the energy is coming back. So food is a very important part of your life and it gives you a lot of energy. So, for example, rice, ghee, roti, and butter give you lots of energy. Now, you must have noticed that when you fall down and bruise your knee, in some time you see that the wound is healing and it heals completely. So how does it heal so quickly? Well, food helps in the wound healing process. In fact, not only wound healing process, the food also protects you from lots of other diseases. And if you have the right amount of food, none of the diseases will touch you. When you were born, you were very tiny, isn't it? And slowly, you grew up into a small girl or a small boy that you are right now. So, you were so tiny, and then slowly, steadily, you grew up to be a kid like this. So, what helped you grow up from a tiny kid to a grown-up kid? Well, it was food. Food helps you grow and become stronger. And if you do not have food for an entire day, you will feel very tired and dizzy. In fact, you may also feel sick. Now, when you have a celebration at your home, huge amount of food is prepared, different fancy food is prepared, and we eat and share it with everybody. Food is so important in our lives. When you congratulate somebody, even then you offer food. Very fancy and tasty food, isn't it? Not only that, when you are grieving or sad, even then food is the only thing that comforts you. So you see, food is so important in every aspect of life. So you see, food is not only an important part of our lives and keeps us healthy, it keeps us away from diseases and helps us in growing. And not only that, food is an important part of everything which we do. Whatever we celebrate, whether we are congratulating anybody, and whatever get together it is, food will always be an important part of it. So food actually binds us together and is an important part of our happy lives. So we should always cherish food.